I am a young fella that's aisy and bold. In Castletown, Connors, I'm very well known. In Newcastle West, I spent many's the night with Kitty and Judy and Mary. My father, he bait me for being such a rake and for spending my time in such frolicsome ways. But I ne'er could forget the sweet nature of Jane, agus faca mead shoed Mhiotaseolaíocht. My parents had reared me to shake and to mow, to plough and to harrow, to reap and to sow. But my heart being neary to drop it so low, I set off on high speculation. On parchment and paper they taught me to write. In Euclid and grammar they opened my eyes. And in multiplication in truth I was bright. Agus faca mead shoed Mhiotaseolaíocht. To quarrel for riches I ne'er was inclined, for the greatest of misers must leave them behind. I'll purchase a cow and will never run dry, and I'll milk her by twisting her horn. John Damer of Shronil had plenty of gold, and the Devonshire's treasure is 20 times more. But he's laid on his back among nettles and stones, agus faca mead shoed Mhiotaseolaíocht. If I chance for to go to the market in Chrome, with a tilt in my hat and my pipes in full tune, I'm at welcome at once and brought up to the room, where Bacchus is sporting with Venus. There's Peggy and Jane from the town of Brewery, and Biddy from Bruff, and we're all on the spree. Such a combing of locks as there was about me, agus faca mead shoed Mhiotaseolaíocht. There's some say I'm foolish and more say I'm wise. Being fond of the women I think is no crime, for the son of King David had 1,000 wives, and his wisdom is highly regarded. I'll take a good garden and live at my ease, and each woman and child can partake of the same. If there's war in the cabin, themselves they can blame, agus faca mead shoed Mhiotaseolaíocht. And now for the future I mean to be wise, and I'll send for the women that treated me kind, and I'll marry them all in the morn by and by, if the clergy agree to the bargain. And when I'm on my back and my soul is at peace, these women will come for to cry at my wake, and their sons and their daughters will offer their prayers to the Lord for the soul of their father.